Two local sheriff's deputies are facing separate, unrelated charges ranging from domestic battery to driving under the influence. First, Palm Beach County Sheriff's Deputy Martin Casares is accused of drinking at a local bar, then crashing into a parked vehicle. It allegedly happened in the parking lot of Duffy's in Royal Palm Beach, and that's where we find News Channel 5's Alyssa Hyman live with more on what investigators say the deputy admitted to at the time of the arrest. Alyssa.
Michael, Deputy Martin Casares is on paid administrative leave tonight, and according to this arrest report, he not only admitted to drinking 6 to 8 beers that night, but he also told the arresting deputies that he has an alcohol problem and needs help. Monday night, PBSO deputies arrested one of their own at the Duffy's in Royal Palm Beach. According to this arrest report, Casares backed into a parked vehicle in the parking lot. The report includes accounts from 2 witnesses. Both said Casares didn't stop at first. The driver from the other car said he pounded on Casares' truck in order to get him to stop. We reached out to that driver whose car was damaged, but he didn't want to talk. The deputies who responded to the crash noted Casares had very red, bloodshot eyes and that his speech was slurred and that you could smell alcohol on his breath. During the DUI investigation, Casares admitted to driving his vehicle, leaving Duffy's after 6 to 8 beers when he backed into the parked car. The report says Casares admitted that he couldn't perform some of the roadside tasks. Casares had a blood alcohol level of 0.205. That's nearly 3 times the legal limit. And he told deputies he had an alcohol problem and he hopes to get help. Now, the Sheriff's Office released a statement that reads in part, the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office holds its employees to the highest standards and never forgets about its duty to preserve the public's trust. Unfortunately, sometimes an employee makes bad decisions, which leads to misconduct. Now, I did reach out to the police union that tells me it will not represent Casares in his criminal charges, but for his internal investigation through the Sheriff's Office, they will represent him for that if he comes to request them. They also said that they are available to provide any assistance for any alcohol dependency issues, although again, they say at this point it doesn't seem like Casares has reached out to the union for help. That is the very latest reporting live from Royal Palm Beach. Alyssa Hyman, WPTV News Channel 5.